Hey guys, welcome back to Yazzy's World. Stay tuned for my keto peanut butter cookie recipe. Hey guys, and welcome back to Yazzy's World. So it's literally like 11:40 at night. Don't need to be eating any dinner, and plus I'm doing this keto diet. So I had a sweet tooth. So I decided, let me look up something sweet. So I found a very simple and easy peanut butter keto cookie. So it literally requires three ingredients. So we're going to be using a cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and a half a cup of Truvia sugar, the natural sweeteners, or stevia. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm so bad with pronunciation of these things. But anyways, yes, stevia. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys try it out. So let's get right into this. Add your 1 egg, 1 cup of peanut butter, and a half a cup of sugar. After combining those 3 ingredients, this is the cookie mixture you should get. Get your pan and silicone mat or parchment paper to bake the cookies on. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already scooped some out. I used a basic little scooper and my silicone mat, and I just scooped a few out and put them on there. And then I'm going to show you guys how to make that imprint. Okay, so I'm just using a plastic fork, and I'm going to just push it down. Lift it up. And lift it up. Plain and simple, just like that. Smash it down one way. Oops. There we go. And smash it down the other way. Repeat the same steps, just like that. And silicone mats evenly cook cookies. They're like the best thing to cook cookies on. So if you're a baker or an inspiring baker, a silicone mat is the bomb. Okay, so I have the cookie. Ooh, I forgot one. Just like that. Just like that. So they're going in the oven at 350 degrees for, I think it says 12 to 15 minutes. And then you want to sit them on a cooling rack for 5 to 7 minutes. So let your cookies cool between 5 and 7 minutes. And that's it, everyone. If you like what you see and want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Also, share and like. Until next time, bye.